Howdy YouTubers, Roger with Gateway Cycles back at you from beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky. In our last video we were talking about a leftover ATV that we had, and I wanted to bring to you a couple of Kawasaki dressers that I've got here that are left over from 2018. The first one is a Vaquero 1700. This is a beautiful machine. Let me give you a walk around on this. 1700cc V-twin motor. Beautiful black and green paint job. Kawasaki always does a fantastic job with the paint. We got saddlebags on this. Notice the rear tail light kind of looks like Transformers to me. I don't know what you think. Let me give you a shot of the dash here too. Good looking instrumentation on this machine. The vehicle is normally priced $16,999. I've got this machine at $13,999, well below factory pricing. And then the next machine I've got here is a 2018 Voyager. This one's in red and silver. It's also 1700 cc's. Give you a quick walk around here. Beautiful maroon and silver paint job from Kawasaki here. That 1700 cc V-twin fills up the frame right nicely there, doesn't it? Yeah, this thing's sharp. And inside doesn't do it any justice. It looks much better in the sunlight. And give you a little walk around here, let you look at the dash on it. Here again, we got some beautiful instrumentation up there on a fixed fairing. This machine is normally $17,499, and I've got this machine right now for $14,599. Come and get it while you can. Guys, come on down here to beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky. Check out Gateway Cycles, or check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. Thanks for watching, guys.